Since starting in September, I've been assisting in advising clients, essentially helping them through the planning application process, all trying to work towards that end goal, which is achieving planning permission for a site.
Yes, so I'm currently in the corporate real estate team doing portfolio and asset evaluations. We've recently done the McDonald's portfolio. Great exposure and good for the APC. Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I've had a great time here so far.
While I was in the rating department, I worked alongside one of the associates on the Subway portfolio.
I've also done a fair bit of retail planning, working with the likes of Tesco, John Lewis, just looking at what we can do with their sites.
I deal with a very varied workload. It's a mixed bag. Some days I can be dealing with marketing plans, other days I can be dealing with HR issues, budgeting issues, or engaging in other stakeholders in the town or the area. So no one day is the same. One good thing about having my own client base is that I can decide actually what client entertaining to do. We've taken clients to Scotland, to the Highlands, to go fishing for a weekend, which is also quite a lot of fun.
Really about just getting stuck in, and anybody asks you to do something, you sort of say yes and really try and do the task as best you can, and I think I've definitely learned a lot by doing that.
Key projects I've worked on, going back to my first rotation within office agency, I worked on the disposal and acquisitions for some high net individuals and corporate companies.
I found Montagu Evans really enjoyable. I think it's a unique proposition in the current marketplace. Everyone is working together towards the same goal and sharing in the success. There's always someone to speak to. There's been significant shift in the changing demands of retailers, the urgency and demands of what the consumer wants. I think the particular challenges that I've faced is the rapidly changing market within the retail and leisure sectors.
It's been great because you get to rotate around the firm. What I found really importantly, and one of the reasons I chose to come and work at Montagu Evans, was because I felt it's a firm where grads would be given lots of responsibilities, and I found that I've been able to work from a job from the start to the end, which has enabled me to learn a lot more.